Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine as well as a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple Carplay and Android Auto, Chevrolet safety assist package such as lane keep assist, departure warning, as well as 360-degree camera, front and rear camera, as well as blacked out badging, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with that kind of gold stitch right there. You're going to have that chrome handle with the power locks, power mirrors, and the power windows as well. Of course, it's going to have your mirror memory as well as your rear liftgate control. It's also going to come equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. Moving inside, we're going to have our Equinox badging. And of course, the power adjustable heated and ventilated leather seats. On the left side here, we're going to have our lighting control, as well as on the steering wheel, we're going to have our cruise control, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, and as well as our lane keep assist. And on the right side, we're going to have our odometer control and as well as our voice recognition. Here we're going to have the classic radio control as well as climate control. You can see you got your heated and ventilated seats. As well as right here, you're going to have an SD card reader, 2 USB ports, a 12-volt DC port, and a wireless charging pad. Of course, onto the infotainment system, it's going to come equipped with navigation, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot, and as well as OnStar services, and you can access your front and rear camera as well. Here down low, we're going to have our park assist, as well as our all-wheel drive control. Of course, you're going to have the shifter, it's going to have your automatic parking brake there as well. And up the center console, you're going to have 2 USB ports and lots of extra storage inside. Passenger side's going to have that same finish with that gold stitch around the black leather. Same with on the door here and across the dash as well. You're going to have that glove box up there. More Bose speakers up top as well. You have the classic rear view mirror as well as your OnStar services, universal garage door opener, as well as sunglass case holder. And of course you can access your dual pane sunroof. You're going to have these 19-inch aluminum wheels here, of course, with the chrome Equinox badging and paint match mirror cap and keyless entry door handle. Of course, up top, you're going to have the chrome luggage rack up top as well as you're going to have that chrome badging and the blacked out Chevrolet badging. Of course, you're going to have the hands-free lift gate. If I just press hard enough here. So you're going to have lots of extra space here in the back, as well as hooks, and as well as an extra 12-volt DC port, as well as extra wheel well storage under there as well. Very spacious rear. Of course, moving on to the rear, it's going to have that same kind of style here with a little extra cup holder storage there as well. You're going to have that same stitch, like I said earlier. Of course, in the rear, we're going to have lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat. You're going to have rear ventilation as well as rear heated seats and 2 USB ports and an AC wall charger as well. Of course, up top, you're going to have the dual pane sunroof right in the middle, the cup holder and armrest, as well as your lamp, speaker, and handles right there. Thank you so much for watching today as we checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as all-wheel drive, as well as aluminum wheels, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual pane sunroof, Chevrolet safety assist package, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.